Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you the best way to watch BBC iPlayer from anywhere in the world using Surfshark VPN. If you've ever tried opening iPlayer outside the UK and got the frustrating error message that says BBC iPlayer only works in the UK, then stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to unlock it and enjoy all the content you want, no matter where you are. Before we dive in, just a quick reminder. By clicking the coupon link in the description, you can unlock the best deal on Surfshark VPN. You can save up to 86% and even add 3 extra months to your subscription. BBC iPlayer is one of the most popular streaming services in the UK and offers a huge library of live TV, box sets, and exclusive programming. The problem is, iPlayer is strictly geo-blocked outside the UK. The BBC enforces this policy because its shows are funded through the UK's TV license system and licensed only for UK audiences. When you try to access it abroad, your IP address gives away your location, and iPlayer instantly blocks you. That's where a VPN comes in. A VPN lets you connect to a server in another country and take on that location's IP address. By using Surfshark and connecting to a server in the UK, iPlayer sees your IP as British and unlocks full access to all of its content. With a reliable VPN like Surfshark, you can bypass geo-blocks in seconds and keep streaming without interruptions. So, why Surfshark? There are plenty of VPN providers out there, but Surfshark is uniquely positioned as the best option for BBC iPlayer. First, Surfshark gives you unlimited simultaneous connections, meaning you can install it on as many devices as you want with just one account. Whether you're watching on your laptop, smart TV, smartphone, or tablet, you never have to worry about running out of slots. Second, Surfshark uses AES 256 encryption, WireGuard, and OpenVPN protocols, and RAM-only servers to keep your data secure while keeping speeds impressively fast. In fact, in my speed tests, Surfshark retained up to 96% of bandwidth on UK servers, which means you can watch in HD or 4K without buffering worries. Here's how simple it is to set up. First, subscribe to Surfshark. They even offer a 30-day money-back guarantee in case you change your mind. Second, install the app or browser extension on the device where you'll be streaming. Third, open Surfshark. Choose a UK server. Options like London, Manchester, and Edinburgh work great, then connect. Once the VPN is active, head over to the BBC iPlayer website or app, sign in, or create a free account, confirm you have a TV license when asked, and you're good to go. If you're on desktop or laptop, the process is as simple as downloading Surfshark's app, logging in, selecting the United Kingdom from the server list, and connecting. Then visit BBC iPlayer and start streaming. On iOS and Android devices, install Surfshark from the App Store or Google Play. Connect to a UK server, and then launch the BBC iPlayer app. For smart TVs or Fire Stick devices, Surfshark has apps you can install directly. Or you can set it up on a VPN-enabled router if you're watching on a platform that doesn't support VPNs natively. Sometimes iPlayer may still block you even if you're using a VPN. This is where Surfshark's multiple UK server options help. If you hit a block, just disconnect and reconnect to another UK city and refresh the page. Clearing your cache and cookies or switching between Surfshark's WireGuard and OpenVPN protocols can also solve issues instantly. Disabling location services on your phone and making sure both Surfshark and iPlayer apps are updated will help keep everything running smoothly. Surfshark also offers 24/7 customer support, so if you ever get stuck, help is just a click away. It's also worth noting that many VPNs claim to unblock iPlayer, but very few do so as reliably as Surfshark. Alternatives like NordVPN or ExpressVPN are strong performers, but they either don't allow unlimited devices or come at a higher cost. Surfshark gives you the winning combination of security, performance, affordability, and device freedom, which is why it's such a standout pick for streaming fans. When it comes to security, Surfshark works hard behind the scenes. Between its kill switch, split tunneling, camouflage mode, and no borders mode, it ensures privacy and streaming reliability, even on restrictive networks like hotel Wi-Fi. And because Surfshark operates with a strict no-logs policy, your streaming activity is never tracked or recorded. So, if you want to stream BBC iPlayer from anywhere in the world, Surfshark One is the smartest choice. All you need to do is install it, connect to a UK server, and you'll be watching iPlayer like a local resident in minutes. Pair the freedom of endless device connections with robust encryption and reliable UK servers, and you get unbeatable value at a price point that makes sense. That wraps up this guide on how to watch BBC iPlayer using Surfshark VPN. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with anyone who might benefit from it.